Hello, today we're looking at the Gemini Jet's Emirates SkyCargo Boeing 777F in 1/400 scale. As you can see, it's packaged in this nice red presentation box. See, it's got the model of the plane written here, Boeing 777F, its scale, a nice Emirates SkyCargo logo here. As you should know, this is also part of the interactive series, which we'll get onto shortly. As you can see the plane inside the box, you can have it on display like this if you chose. Then on the back we have a little image of the plane, found identical to the one found inside, and some specification information such as length, height, range, and a little info about the Boeing 77F. And let's open up this box and have a look at the model itself. Again, this is part of the interactive series, and this model's personal bit of interactivity is it has 3 spaces for doors to be either opened or closed. And we'll get onto that once we've had a look at the main model itself. So just open it up nice and gently. And this is a die-cast metal model, although some parts may be more delicate, such as landing gear, so you should always handle with care. And here it is, the Boeing 777F in 1/400 scale. All of its lovely detail, as you see, space here for one of the doors, and there are 2 on the other side. Now let's look at some of the lovely details. You can see we've got nice landing gear here and here and here. Very nice detailed jet engines. On the wings, you see the flaps, the island ones, nice little tips of the wings. On the stabilizers, you can see the elevators and the rudders. See the lots of little details on the top. Looking forward to the cockpit. Just overall, it's very nice, very detailed. Underneath, we've got a big Emirates logo with a little spot there for a stand. And as you can see, as you turn over, you can see the space for one of the 2 other doors. As you can see here, we've got a registration of A6-EFG. And let's go on a little about this. You see Emirates SkyCargo, which is the freight division of the Dubai-based Emirates airline, which I'm sure you've all heard of. And this is a Boeing 777, which is the largest twin-jet airliner in the world. And of course, as this is the F, it's the freight version. See, look on this side, still the same level of detail all across. The model has a wingspan of about 16.2 centimeters and is about 15.9 centimeters long. Now let's have a look at the interactivity of this model and its doors. Now as you can see, it comes with 3 pieces for each door. Here we have the 3 closed pieces, they just all slide in, and we have the 3 open pieces for the doors, and they also slide in. Now I will give you a quick demo of what it looks like with them all in, with them all closed and all open, but you do not have to have them all open or closed. You can have it as a mix of whatever you want. As you can see, you take the piece and it just very nicely slots in like so. And as you can see, it's got a little hole on the thing, and it comes with this little tool which allows you to get the piece out very easily once it's been placed in. So let's turn it around. As you can see, the 2 little spots here. Just make sure you get the right one. So this one should help it finish, say, SkyCargo. That slot's there. And then the one at the back. There you go, that's what it looks like with the doors closed. But again, we can now look at the doors open version. I'll quickly take these out, and then we can look at the doors open. The closed doors have been removed. We can now add in the open doors, which you can see, take it in. Again, these will just slide in like so. You can see there's one open door. Turn it around. We can look at this one, just to slide it in. And the same at the back. It slides in nicely, so you can have all the doors open, all of them closed, or any mix as you would like. This is a very nice detailed model with this nice interactivity, allowing you to customize it and configure it to how you would like how you would like to display it. And it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.